Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss an obiter dicta or the passing remarks by the Honorable two judges bench of the Supreme Court of India on a junior advocate. What is that remark? Justice Madam B.V. Nagaratna and Ujjwal Bhuyan bench, while hearing a case, they heard the representation of the junior advocate saying, "Your Honor, kindly pass over. My Lord, kindly pass over." Okay. The junior lawyer was immediately asked by Madam Judge B.V. Nagaratna, "What about your senior? He is not well disposed or he is suffering from ill health. So please adjourn the matter." Madam looked into the file. Very simple case. You start arguing. "Your Honor, my Lord, I want only adjournment." Then smilingly, please remember, smilingly, she cajoled him. In literal meaning, she warned him that don't become, please remember, don't become adjournment, Your Honor, Passover, Your Honor, Passover like that. You must become an arguing advocate. You have to take advantage of the absence of the senior advocate. Normally, the junior advocates, they will have the inhibition in the initial stage. Seeing so many senior lawyers, arguments vehemently, arguments continuously, arguing the point they like in a twisted manner. But they don't want to open their mouth unless they are prompted. This is the base, and everybody knows this fact. Normally, they wanted to avoid as many times as possible. So therefore, whenever, after completion of your law degree, whenever you join a senior, the first task you will be given is, so go and request for adjournment. Go and make the matter passed over so that I can come in the evening and tell, like that. But you must seize the opportunity. So before that, Honorable Justice, she observed that he did not bring the file. He did not know the contents of the file. Then Honorable Judge scolded him gently for not being aware of the facts of the matter. Honorable Justice smilingly scolded, stating that you did not bring the files. In small cases like this, you must agree. When will you must argue. When will you start arguing? So you must take the opportunity of the absence of your senior advocate, is it not? And previously, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari, he also actually encouraged a junior advocate. "Arey Baba, you start arguing. If you get any difficulty, we are here to help you." And A.K. Sikri, former Supreme Court judge, he said, the junior advocates should be encouraged by the judges as well as the senior advocates to argue the cases in the court, by allow them freely to argue. And they must not be under the impression that if we argue, the case will be dismissed. So please remember, for a junior advocate, remember, no judge will pass the remarks of the dismissal of the suit. And if it is to be dismissed, he will ask the junior advocate to bring his senior so that the so-called defect or the blame does not come to him. It will be passed to the senior advocate. So when the judges prompt, you have to act. Otherwise, you will be the junior advocate forever, right? This is a very good suggestion from the Honorable Judges Bench. And Honorable Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, he will allocate a particular period only for the advocates on record, only for the junior advocates. I want to tell you a simple incident. A very famous advocate by name Johnny Cochran. He has been the main part of the so-called O.J. Simpson's case and is very famous for only one word argument. If the glove doesn't fit, you must acquit. That's a separate case, very famous case law. If you find time, please read the judgment. O.J. Simpson case. Actually, while he was a young lawyer, he was junior, there was a procedure, or we count, there was a formality called airing that particular day's proceedings of the court through court to TV. So court to TV is a private channel. Normally they will be asking the advocates, and these people will be telling as to what is happening in the court on the particular day. On that day, the senior is supposed to come, but he did not come. He asked Mr. Johnny Cochran to go, that he will, and he promised that he will come later. Johnny Cochran went there, but there is no address of the senior advocate. There is no hope of his coming. Then the anchor asked him, "Come on, why don't you speak?" Then falteringly he speak. Next day he was ready. Third day he was a very beautiful orator. Fourth day he was heading the court to TV as a male senior advocate. So that should be your spirit. So don't be under the wrong inhibition that we don't know anything. People may think otherwise. No, you start arguing. What will happen? Nothing will happen. So this is the best advice given by Honorable Justice B.V. Nagaratna. Right? So please follow this. Thank you.